The filled surface feature can be used either to patch holes in models or to create complex surfaces. As a patch, the filled surface feature is more robust than simply deleting holes or untrimming. It provides more discrete control over the definition of the resulting patch. Take this imported surface model. You can see there's a problem in this area. A face is missing. In a case like this, both the delete hole feature as well as the untrim feature will fail to close this gap. The filled surface feature, however, is perfect for this. I'll launch the filled surface feature from the surface toolbar. The first thing to do is select the patch boundary. An easy way to do this is to right-click one of the option and click OK.